What's up guys, it's Noah here with CustomRCMods. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's episode, I'm coming at you with a quick plug for my all new Discord server. Now as the CustomRCMods channel is growing, so is the community of all my subscribers, and I want to have a way that I could still stay within reach of you. And as you guys are commenting more and more on my videos, which I'm totally thankful for, it becomes a little bit more difficult for me to respond individually to each one of your comments. So this Discord server is going to be a great way for you to go ahead and reach me. It'll be very efficient, and I'll hopefully be able to get back to you a lot quicker than if you're just going to use the normal YouTube comment section, which is obviously also still a very feasible method for communication. So anyway, let's go ahead, jump right into it. Before we get into it, I do want to say that it is going to be in the top link in the description, so you can go ahead and add yourself to my server. You can say hi. We can talk about all things RC. Let's go ahead, I'll show you around here on the server. Now as you can see right here, it is quite limited and quite primitive at the moment, but I will be expanding things. There's just a lot to do with Discord, and I'm kind of new, especially as it comes to creating your own server. But essentially right here we've got a few text channels. So right here we got the general channel. This is where you're obviously going to land into, and you can check out the channel, of course, and any of my YouTube videos that I release will be going in their own separate post right on here. Then I mean, pretty much any general questions about the channel or just about RC that don't really fit in any of these next two topics will fit right well in here. I'm not too stingent on, what exactly has to go in each channel. I'm just kind of using these as guidelines to what you might be asking me. So moving on to the FPV Quad Help channel, as you might assume, this is a channel specifically devoted for helping with questions about beta flight with, FPV racing quads, aerial photography, drones, any of those things. I'd be happy to answer your questions specifically in this channel. As you can see, I was working on a build list for someone where I went ahead and linked them to a bunch of different parts for a good intermediate beginner build. So yeah, you could do pretty much any of your questions for FPV. You can go right in there. And then the plane help is just what it says, just like the FPV stuff. If you have any questions about anything RC planes related, flight test, I don't know, building with foam, electronic selection, those are a lot of the most common points and questions that I get down in the comment section. You can go ahead and add these right over here in the plane help sub channel in the Discord server. So yeah, the last one I have here is a for sale channel, and I'm always buying and selling new things just as I kind of get things coming through my hands. So I make a few videos with it. Sometimes I get rid of it, sometimes I keep it, but I want to make sure that I extend the best deal possible to the people that support me. I want to kind of give back to you guys. So any deals that I post on Facebook Marketplace, on eBay, on RC Groups Classifieds, I will have a marked down listing price in this for sale channel. I'll go ahead and link you to the original listing and also tell you a little revised price if you're looking to go ahead and buy any of these quads, airplanes, electronics, transmitters. I don't even know, GoPros, things like that. I'd be really happy to sell you guys some of that stuff, especially stuff that's been used on the channel, might be special to you as well. So finally, we've got a few voice channels here, mainly for, online gaming or streaming, answering questions, things like that. As you can see, Liftoff Simulator, that's the one that we can go ahead and jump into and play liftoff together. A lot of nights I'm free just to go ahead and hang out with people, and we can learn together. We can play a game of quad and teach each other the new tricks. I'm always down to learn, and I know that I have a lot that I can teach you as well. So if you do want to go ahead and play multiplayer liftoff simulator with me, I'd be happy to do so. This is where you can go ahead and access a voice chat for that as well. And of course, there's a general one if you just want to talk quads or anything like that as well. I will also be adding some streaming channels and events channels and things like that, just all together as this community expands. There's just a lot to be had here with Discord, and like I said, I'm not too well versed in it at this time. So yeah, once again, that's about it for the Discord server. It'll be in the top link in the description below if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. It'd really mean a lot to me if you'd add yourself to the community and start joining in on the conversation as this channel expands. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, any video requests, anything like that, comment section down below. I will definitely be giving priority to the ones in the new Discord server. That really shows that you've followed through with the support on this channel. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.